Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today, Peter?
Thank
Okay, make yourself comfortable first and we will start. Make yourself comfortable, Peter, and unmute yourself once you are ready so we can start our class today.
Okay.
Are you ready now? Are you
I
okay?
understand.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, so now let me share my screen, Peter, and we will start with a review. Can you tell me again what are the four seasons? What are the four seasons, Peter?
Um.
We have
We have rainy.
no
Rainy.
seasons, Peter,
Uh.
seasons. The four
Uh.
seasons. Four seasons. What are those?
Windy. Uh.
Rainy?
I don't.
That is a weather event. It's a weather event, Peter. It is different to seasons. Okay, we
Um.
have four seasons. For example, summer. Okay, can you give me the last three? Okay, we have summer,
Summer. I don't know.
oh, you forgot it already. Okay, summer. What is the opposite of summer? Summer. Summer is the hottest season, right? What is the coldest season we have? When?
Um. Windy.
Winter. Okay,
Windy.
stop. Yes, summer, winter, spring,
Winter.
and
Autumn.
okay, yes, autumn or fall. That is right, Peter. So remember, these are the four seasons we have. Okay, can you tell me what's the weather like in your place today?
Uh. It's hot.
Oh, it's hot. I see. Yeah, here in the Philippines as well. It's really hot right now, even though it is already 5:33 in the afternoon. Okay, so now let us have a quick review about talking about the weather events, all right? Now, can you tell me how's the weather?
It's raining.
Okay, yes, very good. What about this one, Peter? How's she feeling?
It's
Okay, yes.
it's
It's cold. What about in here? It's
windy.
very good. This one,
It's uh I don't know.
snowing.
Snowy.
Yes, that's right. What about in here?
It's hot.
Yes, it's hot. What about in here, Peter?
It's
Okay, yeah.
sunny.
Yeah, it's sunny. What about in here?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, it's dry. Okay, dry. And the last one we have,
Uh,
can you remember this one? It's you.
You
Yes,
humid.
humid. Okay. Good thing you remember it once you were told about the first syllable, Peter. Okay, so now we'll have exercise 4 dialogue. Okay, read this one with me and answer the questions. So in here, Margaret and her teacher are talking on the phone. Let us start now, Peter. What's the weather like today, Margaret?
Today it a beautiful day. It's hot, dry, and sunny.
What is it usually like in summer?
It usually very hot and sunny, but some years it rains a lot in summer. Then it gets hot and humid.
Do you ever have heat waves?
No, not very often.
Does it snow in winter?
It rarely snow in winter here.
What's your favorite season?
I really I really like winter. I love the cold.
Okay, yes, well read. Peter, now let us check your understanding. Is summer usually humid where Margaret lives?
Uh, yes.
Is it yes? Okay, let us see. Let us go back in here, Peter. Okay, so the question is summer usually humid where Margaret lives? Okay, so in here, what is it usually like in summer? Okay, Margaret replied, it's not humid, but it's very hot and sunny. Okay, but in some years, when it rains a lot in summer, then it gets hot and humid. Okay, so it's no. Now, going back to the second picture, second question. How often does it snow where Margaret lives?
Uh, uh,
How often?
um, uh, uh, I don't know.
Okay, then I will show you the dialogue again, Peter. Now, can you tell me how often does it snow where Margaret lives?
Uh, uh,
How often does it snow?
mm, it's uh, not very often.
Not very often. Okay, so it's in here, right? Does it snow in winter? Margaret replied, it rarely snows in winter here. Okay, rarely, Peter. And the last one now, what is Margaret's favorite season? Okay, I believe you can remember this one. What is Margaret's favorite season?
It's uh, uh, spring.
Is it spring? Are you sure? Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, can you tell me now? What is her favorite season, Peter? She likes.
Winter.
Okay, yes, that is right, Peter.
It's
Not
winter.
spring. Okay, yes, she really likes winter because she loves cold. Okay, so now moving on, let us have exercise 3. And in here, I want you to complete the sentences. Okay, what is your answer for 1?
What is the weather like today?
Okay, very good. That is correct. Now, next one.
It is cold and windy.
Okay, very good. What about 3?
What is it usually like in fall?
Okay, we have 2 like here, right? Okay, can you tell me what is your answer? Is it B or C?
Is B.
Okay, yes, very good. What about for 4?
Uh, of, I don't know this
Occasionally. Occasionally.
occasionally we have a drought.
Okay, very good. We have a drought. What about 5?
Do you ever
Do you ever get, or got?
got
Is it got? Okay, thank you, Peter. However, our answer here is get. See, last time I told you that with the presence of do, does, and did, we will use the base form, right? Okay, so we have do here. Do you ever get storms? Okay, base form, Peter, not there, past tense. Nor we will not add ing. Okay, now what about 4, 6?
I rarely
Rarely.
snowing in winter.
Is it rarely snowing? Again, we only use snowing. This is a gerund, right? Okay, we only use it either if we have is, are, or am before the word, okay, plus the ing. But in here, we don't have that, right? We don't have is, we don't have are, and we don't have so we will use what? Okay, so this is the present simple tense, Peter, which means we will use snows. Okay, we will add s because in here we have it is singular. It rarely snows in winter. Okay, so this is a general truth, Peter. Okay, so we only use snow if our subject is plural. Okay, so in here it's a it rarely snows in winter. Present simple tense. Now let us have a 7.
Does it rain a lot in spring?
Can you tell me, Peter, why did you answer does?
Does it rain a lot in spring?
Okay, why did you answer does? Why did you answer does? Okay, can you tell me why did you
Tại
answer
sao bạn lại
does?
trả lời là Does.
Because
Because
I don't know.
You don't know. I see. Okay, now in here, Peter, the person or what we're referring to is singular. Okay, so it rain. Okay, so of course we are going to use does. Okay, does it rain a lot in spring? Because for do it's only for plural subjects, but in here we have singular. That's why we'll use does. Now last one.
It sometimes knows info.
Okay, yes, very good. In fall. Okay, so when we are talking about the seasons, we are always going to use the preposition in, okay, so in summer, in winter, in fall, in autumn, in spring. Now, let us proceed to exercise 6. And in here, you have to read the dialogue with me and fill in the blanks. And yes, you will be Camille. In here, Peter, Camille, and her teacher are talking on the phone. Okay, let me show you the answer pool. We have rarely, snows, get, weather, winter, windy, and all. Okay, so let us start now. What's the weather like today, Camille?
Uh, the weather isn't red today. It
Yes.
it
What do you think it
I don't
is?
know.
Okay, wait. Let me copy the answer pool, okay? So you will be able to answer it better. Okay, let us start. Again, what's the weather like today, Camille?
The weather isn't great today. Um it's winter and very cold.
Okay, it's winter. Okay, so we're talking about the weather, Peter, not the season. So you would say it's windy, okay? It's windy and very cold. Now, is it usually cold in winter?
Yes, it actually cold all the time here, but it even colder in I don't know.
You have to try, Peter. What do you think fits best? Is it rarely, snows, get, or winter? See, you only have 4 options.
Um in I don't know.
Okay, so of course we'd say, yes, it's actually cold all the time here, but it's even colder in winter. Okay, in winter, we can say it's even colder in get or it even colder in snows. Okay, those aren't accurate answers, Peter. They are incorrect. Okay, now, does it often snow?
Uh yet is yet it yet is it is a lot here. Um
It is. We don't have is, Peter. See, we only have rarely, snows, and get. Those are the only three options we have. So, yes, it rarely snows or get a lot here.
That is no snow a lot here.
Okay,
We
yes, it snows a lot here. We
get a lot of storm in winter too.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I really like warm water, warm weather, but sadly it really got hot here.
Okay, yes, very good, Peter. That is it. See, you're able to use all the words given in the answer pool. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so now we'll proceed to the next one, exercise 7, ordering. Put the words into the correct order. Peter, what is your answer for 1?
It is in is in is it
Is it?
usually in winter.
Okay, yes, very good. That is correct, Peter. What about for 2? What about for 2? Yes, Peter.
Is it a lot snow?
Mm-hmm. It's a lot snow. Okay, it snows a lot. Okay, can you tell me again your answer? It snows a lot. Can you say it again?
Is snow is snow a lot?
Very good. What about 3?
Is it raining?
Okay, is it raining? What about for 4?
What the weather like is today?
Okay, what is the weather like today? What about for 4?
Do you get drought? Get a lot of drought?
Okay, yes. What about for 6?
It what it in what is it in?
You can do it, Peter.
What
What?
I don't know.
Okay, so let me help you. What is it?
What is it? Usually like in summer.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Okay, what about 7?
It dry and sunny.
Okay, what about the last one, Peter?
What type of favorite weather?
What? What's
What
your
type favorite weather of
okay? What's your favorite type of weather, Peter? Can you tell me again the answer?
um what your favorite type
Okay, what's
uh
your favorite type of weather? Okay, so that is the answer there, Peter. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so now I believe that's all it for our class today, which means I will see you again tomorrow, Peter. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the night with your family. Goodbye, Peter.
the teacher